How to delete domains in GoDaddy. So the first thing that we want to do is load up the GoDaddy website, then click on your name in the top right corner and go into My Products. So here from the products page, you will see domains and you will find all of your domains here. And we just want to click on Manage All. Now, if you want to delete domains in GoDaddy, if we click on the three dots here, you will see that we can't actually delete it from here. But if we check the domain itself here, so check all of the domains which we want to delete, then this menu will pop up. If we click on More and scroll all the way down, you will see this option to delete domains. Once selected, it's going to show us this. By clicking Continue, you consent to deleting the selected domains. Deleting removes the selected domains from your account, breaks any product services attached to them, and may make them available for someone else to register. So if we toggle this option on, yes, I consent to delete the selected domains, and click on Continue, then this will successfully delete these domains which we have selected previously from our GoDaddy account, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.